Hey there, I'm Merlene Tilton, the Happy Gut Foodie from MerleneTilton.com, where you can experience great tasting foods and enjoy the benefits of food-grade essential oils with healthy food alternatives and improve your gut health naturally. After watching, make sure you go to the description below and download my free Food-Grade Essential Oils Guide. In this video, I show you how to make an easy seed crackers recipe and a great keto cracker recipe too. No flour, just seeds and seasonings, and the crunch and flavor is fabulous. So let's get started in a mixing bowl. We are going to add 1 cup of water, then 1/3 cup of ground flaxseed. Then whisk this all together, and then we're going to add 1/2 cup of hemp seed, 1/4 cup of pumpkin seeds, 1/4 cup of sunflower seeds, 1/4 cup of sesame seeds, and 1/4 cup of chia seeds, 3/4 teaspoon salt, and 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder. Then we're going to add our secret sauce, 1 drop of thyme essential oil, and 2 drops of black pepper essential oil. These are immune boosting and really add great flavor. Now we're going to stir this all together, and then we're going to allow it to sit for 15 minutes. Now we're going to preheat our oven to 325 degrees and line a 10 by 15 inch baking sheet with parchment paper. Then spread this seed mixture onto the paper until it's very thin, about 1/8 to 1/16 inch thin. Then we are going to put this in the oven for 30 minutes, then remove it and cut it into crackers. Now I like to do about 1-inch crackers, so 1 inch wide, and then we're going to have to go the other way and cut them again so that they are in 1-inch crackers. After we've finished scoring it all and getting it all cut, we're going to put it back in the oven and bake for 15 minutes, then turn the oven off and leave it there for 2 hours or even overnight. Look at these crackers. They come apart so easily and they are so crunchy and flavorful. You are going to love them. They are ready to eat with your favorite dips and veggies, and I know you're going to enjoy them. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you go to the description below, ask your questions, comment, and don't forget to download my free Food Grade Essential Oils Guide. Then like and subscribe.